In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website's features effectively. We'll cover the process of customizing your site's components to make it stand out, ensuring it looks professional and aligns with your vision. Let's begin by heading over to your Wix dashboard. Start by going to setupwix.com through your browser. Here you'll have a centralized hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. It's a great starting point to check if all your settings are in place and your site is ready for any alterations. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to find the Add Elements menu. This is crucial as it allows you to explore a variety of tools and pieces you can use to build your site. Think of it like a digital toolkit, full of potential to transform your site. By clicking on Add Elements, you'll access multi-purpose features like text, images, buttons, and more to build and enhance your website. Now, to further refine your multimedia settings, locate the audio feature settings. You can do this by looking for the time marker, often represented as something like 00:0104. Clicking here opens up options specific to any audio content you have, from which track is playing to how it integrates with your overall design. Next, you may want to change your current track. By selecting Change Track, Wix allows you to seamlessly switch out the current audio for something fresh, updating the ambiance of your site. Customization is key, and this feature keeps your content dynamic and engaging. Uploading a new track to your site is as simple as clicking Upload Track. This option lets you import audio files directly from your device. Remember to keep your files organized so you can easily navigate your library of sounds and choose the perfect track. Once you've uploaded some new options, decide which track you want to make live on your site. Simply select the track that fits best with your content. It's helpful to preview each option to ensure it complements the mood of your site effectively. After selecting the track you want, you can add it to your site by choosing the Add Track option. Doing so integrates the selected audio into your website, allowing it to play as visitors explore your pages. If you need to exit the audio settings or make any adjustments elsewhere, clicking the X at the top corner of the panel will close it without saving the changes. Be mindful to ensure you're happy with your selections before exiting. Finally, it's important to regularly click Save to ensure all your hard work is stored securely. Saving frequently will protect your progress and give you peace of mind that your site's updates are safely recorded. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage and customize your website's audio features using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com.